Selling your phone or thinking about giving it to a friend? Want to permanently delete your data? In this video, I'm going to show you the software which is required to completely erase your iPhone, and it really works. So you can have a peace of mind once you've deleted all of the software. So let's go ahead and look at the software. So guys, I was looking for a software basically to erase all my data. It comes for the Mac and it comes for Windows as well. Now this software is specifically for iOS devices, which is your iPhone and iPad and so on. So I did a few tests and I thought of making a video, and so here I am. I would highly recommend you to go to their website and have a look at their different products. So they've got products in which you could recover the data, just like in the recovery section. But my concern was erasing the data completely, which can't be recovered in any shape or form. So the software which I'm going to talk about today is the Umate Pro iOS Data Eraser. So that's this one. And I am on on the specific page of iMyFone Umate Pro iPhone Data Eraser, and this is for Mac, and I am just going to go ahead and download it. After I download it, I'm going to show you guys, connect it to my phone and show you the different features, but rest assured, I did erase one of my phone, not my original phone, with this software, and then I try to recover it and you cannot recover anything. So that's pretty good. It completely erases third-party data, removes the junk files, clears all the temporary files. You know, you can export your data, that's a good thing, and deletes all the apps in bulk, which is good if you want to do a refresh of your phone, or if you bought a phone from somebody else and you want to completely wipe off everything in case if they've got any sort of malware running on it. So it gives you a complete peace of mind, and it also gives you a peace of mind when you are willing to sell off your phone to a local shop, or you want to give it to a friend and you don't want your files to be there. And so the software is highly recommended, and you could see the different features. It can run on an iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, and then you can delete it. You can erase private data and erase private fragments as well. So what does private fragments means? Even if you've deleted off your data, it just leaves few fragments on the memory of your iOS device, and iMyFone Umate Pro is the piece of software which you can use to clear off all those fragments. So guys, the software has been downloaded and I am going to go ahead and open it up. Here you go guys, I've just opened up the software, and once it's open up it'll give me an interface. So what I will do is I will connect my iPhone and I'll put the key inside so that I can show you the complete registered features on it. Okay guys, I've registered the software. Let's go ahead and look at the software now. So the software's interface is pretty much simple. It says your device is not recognized because obviously it's not connected. So I'm running an iPhone 10 and I've got a MacBook Pro with the touch bar, so everything is latest and the software is supported by this hardware. So guys, I've connected my iPhone finally. What we can do is we can do a quick scan. So it's showing my iPhone over here, which is called iPhone X, and I have different options over here like junk files, temporary files, photos, large files, and apps. I can do a quick scan which will refresh all the data on my phone which is available and which I need to delete or I need to temporarily remove. So I'll do a quick scan then. So guys, it's showing me my phone and the total memory on my phone, which is sort of the hard drive, and it's showing as 238.42 GB, and used as around about like 50 GB. Well, I've seen that it's done the process, and it was saying it's going to take 18 minutes, but it's done it more quicker than that. Now what we have here is it's showing up as 38 GB can be freed up. in this option, it's just going to clear the junk files. Okay, it's just shown me as that the 64.85 MB has been released. So guys, just to let you know, I would not recommend you to do this in the daytime or the time when you are going to use your phone. So just make sure you don't answer your phone, or calls are not coming in, or you don't have to use it urgently, because as you can see, I'm just clearing off the temporary files and it's saying as 191 minutes. So it's not very quick or very straightforward. It does take a lot of time because it completely erases off the data. So when I say erase it off, it's completely taking it off, especially for the specific areas which I'm choosing, just like I'm clearing the temporary files right now. So I'm just going to run you through the rest of the features on this software. If you are just planning to keep your phone but you want to get rid of your junk files, then the first option is the option for you. The second is erase all your data, and your private files will be completely gone. And here you will erase the deleted files and the private data over here, and erase private fragments. Now, if I were to do a scan of my private fragments, it will come up as a lot of data. So if I hit scan, so at this stage it will just load the data, it will completely do a scan, and here we have my private fragments, which I even didn't know. I don't use Viber and Skype, so that's why it's showing up as nothing. So I've got private fragments for YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, WeChat, and Line. That is why this piece of software is really so important to use. If you are planning to sell your phone, or you want to give it to your friend and you want to get rid of all your private data, then I would highly recommend to buy this software and try it out first, and then you can buy it, and it really does the job. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it that thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in my next video then. Bye for now, guys.